October 29th, 2015. Feast of Saints Simon and Jude, Apostle. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke. Jesus went up to the mountain to pray, and he spent the night in prayer to God. When the day came, he called his disciples to himself, and from them he chose 12, whom he also named Apostles: Simon, who named Peter, and his brother Andrew; James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James son of Alphaeus, Simon, who called Zealot, and Judas the son of James, and Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. This is the word of the Lord.